With spring arriving, it is time to discover the hidden beauty of nature in a refreshing and energizing atmosphere that promises to infuse fresh air into your lungs. This plant called mayana is one of the traditionally used folkloric medicine, and it is primarily used for pain, sore, swelling, and cuts, and in other instances as adjunct medication for delayed menstruation and diarrhea. Mayana is an herb that is usually cultivated as ornament. A lovely, compact, variegated hosta june, or we call plantain lily, is a great addition to shady areas where it forms an attractive. Hosta are among the most popular of perennials for shady areas with hundreds of varieties. Her leaf, Brunera, or false forget-me-not, that is that plant, are perennials with large or heart-shaped basal leaves. Flowers are blooming, the sun is shining, and spring has arrived with all its beauty. As the season of refreshment and revival, spring shows that the times that we need to relax and feel the fresh air. Spring is also the season when we can lose the weight we gained over the winter. Walking is known as one of the most relaxing and energizing exercises if you have a busy schedule, and walking helps us stay healthy both mentally and physically. Discover the Mother Nature's beauty and feel the fresh oxygen in your lungs. The nice ways for you to relax your mind, get some fresh air, and discover the beauty of natures. Natural heaven in the spring with blooming flowers and green trees. But it is also a nice getaway from the increasing heat for a walk in the summer. The sounds of nature is very relaxing, especially when you hear the singing birds and wind whispering in the leaves. You feel the fresh air while you are sitting on the bench. My wish is to stay always like this, living quietly in a corner of nature. Being in nature or even viewing scenes of nature reduces anger, fear, and stress, and increases pleasant feelings. Exposure to nature not only makes you feel better emotionally, it contributes to your physical well-being, reducing blood pressure, heart rate, muscle tension, and the production of stress hormones. Shout out to my family, to my relatives, and to all my friends that always watching my video, my channel. Thank you very much. I want to shout out to my supportive sis, my sis JC. Shout out to your JC and Bird Adventures and for your outreach program. And another channel, your Magical Sleep and Meditation and Healing channel. Shout out to my another sis, Juliet, always supporting my premiere and watching my video. Shout out to my niece, Marian, always watching and supporting my premiere. Shout out to my sis, Lourdes Hurston, and to my sis, Good Vibes Canada. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, likes and share, give a comments below, and please click the bell button so that you can updates for my next video. God bless and take care. Bye.